We are very delighted to have the uSky projects and the Sharjah Research and Technology Park. Sharjah Research and Technology Park is one of the largest Middle East technology park at the moment. We are very proud to host technologies related to transport and logistics, 3D, agriculture and other. The uSky project is a key project for us here in Sharjah. This is a project that we hope out of Sharjah that's going to go global. At the moment, the uSky company is testing 3 lines of different type of passenger and cargo trains. We hope that their testing will be successful and we will be able to commercialize this technology and take it to the market. In Sharjah, we are looking at different options. We are looking at options in Khorfakan, and we are also working on options in the city as well. We look forward to commercialize this technology and make it one of the biggest success in this region. As we know, mobility is a global topic. There are more congestions, production of CO2, and other sustainable challenges that we go through. We believe the Skyway will solve some of these challenges because it uses less land, less energy, and it's more efficient. So we believe that this uSky product will definitely implement to the mobility strategy and infrastructure of Sharjah and the entire United Arab Emirates. The transport solution of uSky